Hello, and this time we are at Nyhavn. Copenhagen's enchanting waterfront district is steeped in a captivating history that weaves together centuries of maritime commerce, cultural richness, and vibrant transformations. Originating in the late 17th century under the visionary reign of King Christian V, Nyhavn emerged as a dynamic portal connecting the city to the sea. Carved by the hands of Swedish prisoners of war and convicts, this canal swiftly became a bustling hub of international trade, teeming with the lively activity of sailors, merchants, and fishermen.
Hans Christian Andersen, the literary luminary renowned for penning timeless fairy tales, shared an intimate and inspiring connection with the enchanting district of Nyhavn in Copenhagen. In the 19th century, Andersen, who lived at number 67, his apartment can still be seen today. If you look at the white building, you'll see a plaque in his honor.
Amidst the historic walls of Nyhavn, Andersen gave life to some of his most beloved characters and narratives. The rhythmic lapping of the canal's waters seemingly collaborated with his creative musings, providing the backdrop for tales that would resonate across generations. It was within the colorful facade of Nyhavn that Andersen birthed classics like The Little Mermaid and The Ugly Duckling, tales that have become an integral part of global literary heritage.
The colorful tapestry of Nyhavn's architecture tells tales of its commercial zenith, with warehouses and townhouses lining the canal's edges to accommodate the thriving maritime endeavors. As the 20th century ushered in modernization within the shipping industry, Nyhavn experienced a decline in its commercial importance. However, a renaissance unfolded in the 1960s when a collective effort to preserve historical sites breathed new life into this picturesque quarter. Far beyond a mere historical relic, Nyhavn has evolved into a cultural haven, seamlessly blending the old with the new. Today, it stands as a testament to Copenhagen's commitment to preserving its heritage while embracing a vibrant contemporary spirit. Beyond the captivating facades, Nyhavn pulses with life, offering an array of restaurants, cafes, and bars that invite visitors to savor the city's culinary delights amidst a backdrop of maritime allure.
Throughout the year, the district plays host to an array of events and festivals, drawing both locals and international travelers into its festive embrace. Whether embarking on a leisurely boat tour along the winding waterways, or simply absorbing the lively atmosphere from the cobblestone streets, Nyhavn invites everyone to partake in the magic that emanates from its historic past and vibrant present. In every corner and canal of Nyhavn, the echoes of Copenhagen's maritime history resound, creating an immersive experience that captivates the senses and leaves an indelible mark on all who wander its storied lanes. As the sun sets, the iconic townhouses lining the canal come alive with a radiant glow, draped in festive lights that transform the waterfront district into a magical wonderland. The reflection of these illuminated facades dances on the calm waters, creating an enchanting play of light and shadow. Wandering through Nyhavn's cobbled streets at night during the holiday season is a sensory journey, where the scent of cinnamon-infused treats and roasting chestnuts mingles with the crisp winter air. The waterfront becomes a stage for lively Christmas markets, with wooden stalls offering warm mulled wine, Danish pastries, and unique, locally made gifts. Amidst the hustle and bustle, the festive ambience is amplified by street performers, carolers, and live music.
For a different perspective, canal boat tours depart at night, offering narrated journeys through the illuminated waterways. The boats, adorned with festive decorations, provide a romantic backdrop to discover Nyhavn's rich history and Christmas traditions. Special Christmas-themed cruises add an extra layer of charm to the experience, showcasing the city's landmarks in a captivating holiday glow. In essence, Nyhavn during Christmas emerges as a symphony of lights, colors, and festive cheer, creating a captivating and unforgettable experience for all who immerse themselves in its seasonal enchantment.
We want to express our gratitude for watching our YouTube channel and the enchanting beauty of Nyhavn, Copenhagen. We hope you enjoyed exploring the picturesque waterfront, discovering the rich history, and immersing yourselves in the magical atmosphere of Nyhavn. We invite you to stay subscribed for more adventures and discoveries.